This is Cleanne Jenkins, your Simply Fun Playologist, and here are the August specials. Spell Trek is for ages 6 and above, 2 to 4 players, and works on vowels and spelling. You're on a road trip around the world, but some of our favorite animals are missing their vowels. Collect vowels, add them to your cards, and move your player that many spaces, and be the first one to the finish line to win the game. Math Room is for ages 5 and above, 2 to 4 players, and focuses on addition and subtraction. Think fast and solve the addition and subtraction problems on your key to close the windows before someone puts you out of business. In this game, you are going to roll the dice and then solve the equation that works for that. So here we've got red. 3 plus 4 is 7. So then we're going to put our window on the 7. If you already had that equation done, be the first one to ring the bell, and you can turn your key over and do the opposite equation. So where I was on addition, now I'm on subtraction. Be the first one to cover all 10 of your windows, and you win. Is or Isn't is for ages 6 and above, 2 to 5 players, and focuses on synonyms, antonyms, and vocabulary. In this game, you're going to roll the dice. So I've rolled it and got a 4. So then I move my character 4 spaces. I'm going to turn this card over, and then I have to look for a synonym for old. Now everybody looks for synonyms on their board at the same time, and what I love is, say your kids are young enough they don't know what a synonym for old is, all they have to do is look for a matching picture. So over here I can see aged is a matching picture for old because it has the cap and the cane. So then I'd cover that one up, and then it'd be the next person's turn. This game is lots of fun. You can do challenges, and then you can also do other versions where you do like any 2 lines or a Z shape or cover all to make it more challenging for those older players. First one to get bingo is who wins. Grill Party is for ages 8 and above, 2 to 5 players, and it focuses on algebra and planning. Learn more than and less than concept by placing and swapping food pieces on the grill to match situations on your food cards. So something I love about this game is it's for up to 5 players. I have it set up for 5, but I have only cards set out for 2 players. So if I was the red player right here, what you're trying to do is you're looking at your cards and trying to see what pieces you can move from yours up to the grill to play your cards. So if this was my cards, I would switch the veggies for the hot dog so that I could play no hot dogs. More veggies than hot dogs, since there aren't any hot dogs, there's obviously more veggies, and more veggies than fish. So in that one move, I was able to get rid of 3 cards. So then you're going to replace those cards, and then play continues on to the next player, and the first person to get rid of all their cards is who wins. Yunnan Forest is for ages 7 and above, 2 to 4 players, and focuses on probability and strategy. In this game, you are rolling the dice to see how many matches you can make, and you collect leaf tokens in exchange for them. So here I've rolled the dice, and I've got 2 of the Pygmy Slow Loris, so I can collect 1 leaf token. If I didn't have enough dice to make a match, you can choose one of the binocular tokens and add that here, and then that could help you make a match. Now if you do that, then you do have to read a fact about this particular animal. So here I would read about the red panda, and the one to get the most points at the end of the game is who wins. Cow Sense is for ages 6 and above, 2 to 6 players, and focuses on money, addition, and subtraction. In this game, you are learning about counting change through basic mathematics. So what you're going to do in this game is every player has a certain amount of coins, and they're trying to come up with the sums here in these money pools. If you come up with the exact sum, like if I came up with the exact dollar, then I would get to take those coins and add them to my total. But if you come up with more than that, then you have to distribute among the other players. So here I might add like 50 cents here to this money pool, then I have to pick another coin to go into my little bank here. And then it's going to continue around till all of the goal targets are met and all the money coins are gone, and whoever has the most change or the most money at the end is who wins. I'll Solve That is for ages 10 and above, 2 to 4 players, and focuses on operations and problem solving. In this game, you are teaming up with the detectives from the I'll Solve That agency to find the answers. So how you're going to start is you're going to draw 5 cards here and put them on your numbered line. And then each player is going to look at their solution cards and see if they can come up with equations that use those numbers to come up with one of their solution cards. If I were this player, what I might do is go 7 times 8 is 56, minus 9 equals 47, times 1, since this is a wild and I can make it be whatever I want to be, equals 47, then I've used 4 cards to come up with my solution, 47. The more cards in the number line you use, the higher your score is. So this game is lots of fun and can be challenging. If you need it to be a little less challenging, if you have younger players, something you can do is, like for my family, we used only additions and subtraction and didn't do multiplication and division in there. And then we took out any of the solution cards that were greater than 50. So it's lots of fun. Let's Jet is for ages 8 and above, 2 to 5 players, and focuses on geography, world facts, and information. In this game, you are visiting neighboring countries and learning about the world as you collect points for making it to your destinations. So what you're going to do to start is each player gets a set of travel cards, and they draw one to decide where they're going to start. So the airplanes are where those destinations are. You're traveling to other cards in your hand or to any of these 3 public destinations that we drew before we started the game. You score points for all the places that you make it to. And then if you want to play the little bit more advanced game, you've got the co-pilot, bonus, event, and weather cards to play that. And then I also like that it has this continent map, world map, and it has all of the countries and some different facts about them in it.